Welcome back to online classes. Dear 9th standard students, we have discussed exercise 13.1 and 13.2 in surface area and volume. Okay, so today let us discuss exercise 13.3. So that is based on surface area, curved surface area of cone and total surface area of cone. Okay, so you know very well the cone. So the cone is in the shape. So this is the shape of cone. This is the shape of cone. So this is straight height. So this is L, slant height. So this is H. So this is R, radius. Understand? So this is the shape of the cone. So here curved surface area. Curved surface area, that is CSA of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. So TSA of cone. TSA of cone is equal to pi r into L plus R or R plus L. So these are all the two formulas. So which we have to use in this exercise. Okay. So that is exercise 13.3, exercise 13.3, class 9th. Okay, listen. By using these two formula, so let us solve the problems. Problem number 1. Listen. Diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So already we have written the formula for curved surface area. Here it is given diameter. So D is equal to, so that is D is equal to 10.5 centimeter and slant height L. Slant height is equal to 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So CSA, curved surface area, is equal to pi r L. So 22 by 7. So this is the constant value of pi into r. R is equal to, so here it is 10.5. R means 10.5 divided by 2. So 10.5 divided by 2. So because, so half of the diameter. Radius is half of the diameter. Into L means 10 centimeter. Okay. Listen. 2 ones are 2 5s are. So 7 ones are 7, 3 carry, 7 5s are 35. So 22 into 1.5 into 5. So let us calculate. 15 into 5 ante calculate ಮಾಡಿ. 15 5s are 75. So that is 7.5. So you are now multiply ಮಾಡಿ. 22 into 7.5. 22 into 7.5. So 22 into 7.5 na multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 165 centimeter square. 165 centimeter square. So this is the CSA or LSA. Lateral surface area ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇನೆ, curved surface area ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. Okay, understood? ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, next second one. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ. Second one. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. Listen, find the total surface area of a cone. So let us see. So let us write on cone figure baridi. So this is slant height. So this is slant height. L is equal to how much? So slant height is equal to 21 meter. Diameter of its base. So diameter D is equal to 24 meter. So hence R is equal to 12 meter. L is equal to 21 meter. So what we have to calculate? Find the total surface area of the cone. TSA. So total surface area is equal to pi r into L plus R. So pi r means 22 by 7 into R means 12 into L means 21 plus 12. So 22 by 7 into 12 into 21 plus 12 andre 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3. So 33. So here we cannot cancel any number. So let us multiply all those things. We will get, so 22 by 7 into 12 into 33. Then you simplify madre, you will get 1244.57. You multiply madi, this to multiply madi, 7 and divide madi, you will get this much. 1244.57 meter square. So this is TSA. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ. Okay, then and follow. Okay, next question, problem number 3. Listen, here it is given, curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square. Already it is given curved surface area and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. So we have to calculate radius of the base and as well as total surface area of the cone. Listen, so here it is already given, curved surface area, that is CSA of cone is equal to 308 centimeter square. Slant height L is equal to 14 centimeter. First one, find the radius. So radius is equal to question mark and TSA is equal to question mark. So first ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ CSA. ಸೊ CSA is equal to pi r L. CSA means 308. So 22 by 7 into r ಅಂದರೆ, so this is unknown, into L means 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So 308 divided by 22 into 2 means 44 is equal to r ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ r is equal to simplify ಮಾಡಿ 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 twos are. Okay, then once again 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. ಸರಿನಾ. 76 divided by 11. Okay, 76 divided by 11. So ಈ 76 divided by 11, so ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 7 ones are 7 twos are. So then you will get 1 minute, ನಾವೇನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 308 is equal to 22 by 7 into r into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 22 into 2, 22 into 2, that is 44 divided by 308. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಲಿಸನ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So r is equal to 308 into, suppose if you are not ready to cancel this 7 ones are 7 twos are, so divided by 44 itself. 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 5s are 2 4s are. ಸಾರಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, 2 4s are. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆವಾಗ 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 7s are, once again 2 7s are. So then 11 ones are 11 sevens are. So 11 ones are 11 sevens are. So r is equal to 7 centimeter. Division ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, 7 centimeter. R is equal to 7 centimeter. So first one finished. Next TSA. So TSA is equal to pi r into r plus L or L plus r. So TSA is equal to 22 by 7 into r. R means 7 into r means 7 plus 14. So 7 gets cancelled with each other. 22 into 7, 14 plus 7 is 21. So 22 into 21. 22 into 21 ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 462 centimeter square. Understand? 462 centimeter square. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 11 1s 11 7s. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಕು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಮು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ 2 times 3 times ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡು, ದೆನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.